So first one, what we are doing here. So we are doing, what is that? Selection sort. Very, very important sort. This is, please here. Selection sort. Okay. So what is this selection sort is nothing but, so we will take one array like this. Please here, everyone. We will take one array like this. Okay. This is an array. So name it, name the array, anything, something like A, fine. And we will going to have elements in that array. So I will going to provide the elements. So for example, 7, you take 4, again 10, 8, 3, again one more we will take 1. This is an array. Understanding? This is an array. What we are doing here, we will going to sort this array. Basically now see here 7, 4, 10, 8, 3, 1 is there. But these elements are not sorted. Sir, how to sort the array which is given now? Okay, this is an array we have given here. How to sort this one? That is what we have to do. Here, selection is nothing but select the minimum element from the array. So whatever the array given, this is the given array, right? So in this, what we have to do, we have to select the minimum element. How to select the minimum element? What is the procedure? I will going to tell you all those things. No need to worry at all. Okay. So what is the procedure means? For example, please understand here. So we will going to have an array. Okay, like this. We will going to have an array like this. Okay. So start from 0 to n minus 1. Please observe this one. Start from 0 to n minus 1. In this, basically this complete array, we will going to call it as unsorted array. Unsorted array. Okay. So this is completely unsorted array. So how we will going to sort means, I will take the first element. Please here now. I will take the first element. Suppose elements are there like this. Okay. Something like A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, like that elements are there. We don't know exactly what elements are there. So in this particular array, please here, in this particular array, what I will going to do, I will going to take first element here, this one. First element, this one. Okay, A1, I will going to consider as a minimum element. Understanding? I will going to consider as a minimum element at first. Understood everyone? I will going to consider minimum element as a A1 at first. After that, what I will going to do, I will going to compare with each element, every element. Okay, I will going to replace that element. This part here, this part, I will going to say this is a sorted part. So that's why we will going to say that it is a selection sort. Why? Because we will going to select the element which is minimum element. We will going to select. Okay, minimum element we will going to select and we will going to place it into the sorted array. So this part is sorted array. This part is unsorted array right now. So this is the procedure we will going to do, and I will going to show you the procedure. Please observe the procedure. Now I will going to take one small example. Now please see that example. Example 1 I will going to take it. You please understand that one. Okay, we will go to the next page and we will learn the example. Now let's take an array. Okay, we will see the array. Okay, this is really good actually. We will going to have an array like this. Okay, so array elements I will going to write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 something is there. Okay, let's take element 9, 1, again 8, again 2, again 7, again 3, again 6, 4. These are the elements. So indices, I will going to write the indexes also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the indexes are there. And array name you take it please. That is A. Okay. Up to here. Okay, everyone. So this is an array. Right now we have taken one array. This is the given array. Okay. For selection sort, I am discussing about selection sort. What is this selection sort is nothing but in the array you select the minimum first. In the array you have to select the minimum first. Now we have an array. I will going to rewrite this one. Please here, I will going to rewrite this one because I wanted to follow the procedure. That's why I will going to rewrite this one. Just please observe now. 9 is there, 1 is there, 8 is there, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4. Okay. So we will going to take one element here. Okay, I will tell you that. Again, one more element, temporary element. We will going to say that it is a temporary element. Okay. Again, it is minimum element. I will going to say. Fine. Understood? Everybody understood? So what we have done right now, we taken one array. Please here. This is our given array. This is our given array. Yes or not? This is our given array. Indices, array name, as well as I rewritten this one. Okay, I will follow the procedure. That's why I rewritten. And we have taken minimum. Please here. We have taken minimum and we have taken one temporary variable. I will tell you why these things. Okay, don't worry now. Now we have what I said very clearly. Let's consider, please here, let's consider index 0 as a minimum. Okay, index 0 as a minimum. What I will going to do? I will going to keep this minimum element over here. Please here, I will going to keep the minimum element over here. This is a temporary element. Okay, minimum element over here. I will compare. Okay, how we will going to compare? Let's take I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n. Okay, what I will do? I is equal to I plus 1 here. Please here, from with this element to this element, nothing but I am comparing 9 with 1. Please understand, I am comparing with 9 with 1. Which is the lowest element in this? Nothing but least element, less element. Okay, which is the least number, that is 1. I will going to replace 9 with 1. Please here, I will going to replace 9 with 1. Okay, nothing but what happens in this place? Please here, in this place, what I will do? I will write the 1. Okay, and I will go to write here. Before writing that one, please here, one more important thing you need to understand. So I take a 9 here. Okay, 9 is comparing with 1. Okay, again that is the least element. That's why I replaced with 1 here. Please here, 9, I taken the 9. Okay, this is the least element. I assumed this is the least element. Assume it. Assume. At initially assume 9 is the least element. Okay, please understand. Assume 9 is the least element. After that, compare with I plus 1, nothing but next index, this index. I am talking about this index. Compare with next index. So what happens here basically? So I am comparing 9 with 1. Okay, that's why 9 is here. 9 is less than 1. Actually false. Again, 1 is greater than 9. That is also false. 9 is okay, greater than 1. This is true. So you see the conditions. Which one you want it, you take, no problem. But I want minimum, right? So 9 is greater than 1, true. So minimum is what? 1 here. Either you can go with like this. 9 is less than 1, false. Minimum is 1. Okay, like that also you can take it. No problem in that. Okay. Fine. So 9, I am comparing 9 with 1. Okay, that is the least element. I replaced here. See here, I replaced with 1. Okay. After that, 1 is comparing with 8. No, 8 is greater. Again, 1 is compared like this. 1 is compared with 8. Again, 1 is compared with 2. Again, 1 is compared with 7. 1 is compared with 3. Again, 1 is compared with 6. Again, 1 is compared with 4. This one you have to understand. That is the process you have to follow. Please understand. Understanding everyone? This first line, please, you need to understand. What I am doing, I am considering this 9. Please here, I am considering this 9 as a minimum element. Okay, that's why I taken the minimum here as a 9 here. Okay, again 9 is comparing with 1. Please understand, 9 is comparing with 1. So because 9 is greater, that's why false. That's why what I will going to do. So 1 I will going to replace here. See here, 1 I will going to replace here. That is what exactly I did. 1 I will going to replace here. See, okay. Now what I will going to do? I will compare 1 with, okay, 8. I will compare 1 with 2. I will compare 1 with 7. I will compare 1 with 3. I will compare 1 with 6. I will compare 1 with 4. If it is any least element is there, suppose -1, you have to replace it. But we don't have anything least 1. Then what I will do? I will swap it. Please here. I will going to swap it. This part I think you people got it. So now 9 is gone, 1 is available. 9 is gone, 1 is available. Now I want 1 to be come here. That's why what I will going to do? 9 I will going to shift it to temporary variable and I will going to place 1 over here. That is what exactly did. And I will going to swap it. This is what we call it as swapping. Swapping. So 9 will come here. This is the first phase. First pass we will call it as first pass. What I did? I taken minimum element 9. Again, I compared with 1. Hence it is false. That's why I replaced with 1. Again, 1 is comparing with 8. Please see here. 1 is comparing with 8. Again, 1 is comparing with 2. Again, 1 is comparing with 7. Again, 1 is comparing with 3. Again, 1 is comparing with 6. Again, 1 is comparing with 4. But no least element than 1. So that's why what I will do, basically, I will keep the 1 and after that I will go to swap it. That is what exactly I did. That's why 1 and 9. Okay. Now, sir, you said selection. That is what I selected 9 and now I sorted. How you sorted? Up to here I sorted. See here, everyone, up to here I sorted. Now this part is sorted. So write down the elements again. 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4. Now you got it? This is the sorted plus. See here, this part is sorted part now. This is the sorted part. So this is, which is this one. This is unsorted part. Correct or not? Now tell me, correct or not? Exactly this. Okay. Now increment. Okay, this sorted part is done. Everybody understood. I think everybody got this one. This is the sorted part. Okay, this is unsorted part. Okay, now again same thing. What do you have to do? 9 is okay. 9. I will going to say take 9. Minimum 9. Okay, that's what I will going to take 9 again here. Minimum element. Again, I will compare with 8. Okay. So what is basically 8 is minimum. So that's why I will replace with 8. Okay. Again, 8 is compared with what? 2. Again, I replace with 2. Again, 2 is compared with 7. Again, 2 is compared with 3. Again, 2 is compared with 6. 2 is compared with 4. Yes or not? Please here. Everybody observe. I taken 9. Yes or no? I taken 9 as a minimum. 1 minute. Please here. I taken 9 here. Please see. Everyone, please observe here. I taken 9. Once again, I have taken 9. This one, you take it. 9. Again, I compared with 8. Please see here. I compared with 8. Okay. Minimum is what? 8. 8 is compared with 2. Minimum is what? 2. Again, 2 is compared with 7. No minimum. 3 is compared with 2. No minimum. 6 is compared with 2. 6 is greater. 4 is compared with 2. 4 is greater. So that is the reason why what I will do. Please observe this line. 1 is here. Okay. Now see here. 9 I taken right. Everybody please see here. 9 I taken right. So I will going to swap this. Okay. 9 I will going to place it here. Okay. Again what I will do. 2 values there right. I will going to place it here. 2, 8, 9. Okay. Everyone okay? Yes, okay. This part.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, same thing. 7, 3, 6, 4. Now you can able to observe here. Before 9 was here. Now 9 came to here. Yes or not? 9 came to here. Only minimum I change. Please observe here. Only minimum I change. After that I am changing. 9 I am taking into temporary part. I am putting this value into the sorted one. Now up to this part here. Up to this part sorted. Okay. Up to this part is sorted. 1, 2 is sorted. Again, same thing. 8 you take it. So minimum is 8. Okay. Compare with 9. Basically 8 is minimum. Okay. Again 8 is compared with 7. Yes or not? 8 is compared with 7. So 7 is minimum. Okay. 8 is compared with 3. 8 is compared with 6. 8 is compared with 4. Okay. Now we can able to see here. 3 is actually minimum. Yes or not? 3 is actually minimum. So that's why what happens here? 1, 2, 3. Again 9, 7, 8, 6, 4. Correct? Everyone okay? Everyone okay this step? This step is okay. Everybody. Okay, everyone understood? Up to here got sorted. Up to here sorted. Again 9. Okay, we will take once again 9. Please here. I will erase it. That's better. Too much actually. Few things not required. That's why. Fine. Now I will take 9. See here. Once again I will take 9. Okay. 9 is again compared with 7. Please see here. 9 is again compared with 7. Okay. Which is least? 7 is the least. Okay, replace minimum as 7. Again 7 is compared with 8. Again minimum is 7 only. 7 is compared with 6. Minimum is 6. Replace 6. Again 7 compared with what is that? Okay, 4. Okay, minimum is 4. What we have to do now? Okay, you have to bring the 4 here. You have to pass the 9 here. Rest you write it same. 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. Up to here sorted. Surya, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. Again little bit. Okay, again little bit. Don't have space. Now see here, what I'm doing here, again same thing, 7, take 7 here, please here, take 7, this is done, okay, take 7, I will use some other color, okay, take 7, okay, 7 is compared with 8, okay, but 7 is least, again compare with 6, 6 is the least, that's why, so make it minimum 6, again 6 is compared with 9, okay, which is 6 is least, so what you have to do, now 6 will come here, 7 will go here, 9, okay, again 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a sorted one. So this part is up to here sorted one. Fine. Again, as it is, procedure you have to follow. 8 and 9. Take 8. So 8 is compared with 7. Which is the least? 7 is the least. Okay. Again, 7 compared with 9. Which is the least? 7 is the least. That's why. Okay, what we have to do? 7. Okay. Again, 8 will come here. That's why 8. Okay. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Up to here sorted. Still one element is pending. Sorry, up to here. I'm sorry. Up to here. Up to here. Done. Again 8, 9. Now I will take value 8. Okay, compare with 9. Only one element is there. Up to here, everything sorted. Please see here. Up to here, everything is sorted. Sorting is done. Up to here, everything is sorting is done. Please understand. One minute. Okay. I need space. That's why. Fine. Now I am taking 8. Okay, comparing with 9. Which is least? 8 is the least. Okay, don't swap anything. Because 8 is less than 9. That's why don't swap anything. So final values are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, again 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is your sorted array using selection sort. What it says, selection sort, select the minimum from the array. Okay, select the minimum from the array. This is 4th pass, again 5th pass, 6th pass, again final result. This is how your procedure will going to happen. So what I will going to do, I will take the element, I will going to compare it. Okay, so I will going to fix as a minimum. After minimum is confirmed, what we will do, we will swap that number with the minimum. Okay, we'll swap that number with the minimum. That is what exactly I did here. So this is your, what is that? Selection procedure. This is the procedure. Fine, everyone okay? Guys, everyone okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now we will write the algorithm for this. Guys, we will going to write the algorithm and see one more important thing, time complexity also I will tell you. If it is follows like that, first we will going to write the algorithm. Algo. Now take algo. What is that? Selection sort. What is required? Selection sort. What is required? One array is required. Again, length. Okay, length is required. Now see here, what we'll do? For from where? I to I is equal to 1. We are starting from where? I to 1. Like that, I will going to take, see, 1 to k. Like this, you have to write the algorithm. 1 to k. Understanding 1 to k. Up to where? N minus 1. Up to last index. Like this, you have to write. Okay. Now, what we have to do? So that time we have to choose the minimum, right? I will going to say minimum. We have to choose the minimum. That is equal to array is what? A of index is what? K. That's it. This is the minimum. First index is the minimum. That's it. And if you want to mention the location of this index, no problem. You can mention LOC is equal to K. This is K. Nothing but what? So K is equal to 1. This meaning is K is equal to 1. No need to worry. So after that, what we have to do? Okay, minimum is fine. We have to compare, right? So that's why we have to use one more loop. Okay, that is for loop, for. Okay. So what is that? So now next element we have to go, right? K plus 1 we have to do. See here, this is an array. First element, okay, K. So if you want to go to next element means K plus 1. So that's why here what I will do, see here, J. So that is equal to, okay, that is equal to K plus 1. From that I will going to start up to where? N. That's it. Okay. Fine. Now that is fine. After that, what we have to do? We have to compare, right? We have to compare the minimum. Which is minimum we have to compare. That's why if minimum is greater than A of J, so it will going to compare those values. Okay. Now if it is minimum is true means what I will do? I will confirm the minimum. That is equal to A of J. Okay. After that, mention the location that is equal to J. Okay, close this. If is done, okay, again for loop is done. Okay, this one. Again, what we have to do? We have to swap it, right? We did it. We did the procedure. We have to swap it. That's why I will going to use the function swap function. Swap array of index K. Again, array of location. That's it. Okay, fine. Close it. This is your algorithm. Done. Surya done. So you want to see the time complexity? Please see. So time complexity also I will tell you. Time complexity. Time complexity, how you will going to calculate, I will show you. So this is, so what happens? Here, number of elements. So that is what we call it as data. Data means elements. That is N. Understanding? Okay. Time means here I will going to say time. What is the time means steps. Steps. That is time means steps. Here. Okay. How it will grow means like this it will grow. 1 minute. How it will grow means it will go like this. Like this. So what is the time complexity? Big O of N square. That's it. Time complexity is equal to big O of N square. Okay. So this is the algorithm for what is that? Selection sort. Okay. Now we will start with what is that? Brute force. Brute force is nothing but we are discussing about brute force. Brute force. Okay. What is this? Brute force is nothing but direct method. Okay. So here we will going to call it as brute force. Brute force. Okay, string matching. Brute force string matching. This is the one. So what is this exactly? We will call it as string matching or you can say what is that? Nav string matching. Nav string matching also they will call. Nav string matching. String matching. Okay. Now what I will do? So they will going to provide the text. Okay, something like text. What is that text? I will tell you all those things. They will going to provide the text and they will going to provide the pattern. What is that exactly? I will tell you. Before that, we will understand the objective. Objective means aim. Objective means aim. What is the aim of this particular algorithm? So what is that? Aim is nothing but to find the okay substring, to find the substring in the main string. So this is my ideology. So we will going to provide a main string. In that we have to find the substring. Understanding? We have to find the substring. Okay. So what is that exactly is nothing but, so substring is nothing but it's a pattern. Please here substring is nothing but it is a pattern. Pattern that is also mentioned with the P. Okay. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. Main string is text. Please here main string is text. I missed. Text means T. Substring means pattern. Pattern means P. Okay. Instead of writing here, I wrote there. That's it. Everyone okay? So what is this pattern and text? I will tell you. Okay. For the text, see here something like this txt text. Okay. T that is equal to size. Suppose what is this text is nothing but hello. Hello world. This is main string. Okay, this is the main string. What is the pattern is in this nothing but something like this. What is that? RLD is a pattern. So this one I will going to call it as T. This one I will going to call it as P. Okay. So text T, that is what we will going to say. Size is equal to N, I will say. Okay. Text T, size is equal to N. Again, pattern P, that is size is M, I will take. Okay. Suppose example, you take an array. Array, what is the size? 0 to N. Okay. N minus 1. So like that for the text up to N, for the pattern up to M. Okay. This is what exactly I will take. Nothing but if you want it, you can able to say like this also. No problem. N characters. Okay. N characters. M characters, N characters. That is also fine. Okay. Now, so one more last one about this. Okay, there are many types of string matching algorithms are there. I will write it here. Types I will going to write because you have only one. What is that? Only one is nothing but naive. Naive string matching. This is the first one. Second one, what we have is Rabin Carr. Okay, Rabin Carr. Rabin Carr. Third one we have finite automata. We will going to study in fifth semester. Finite automata or MTech. Okay. Again, fourth one we have KMP algorithm. Okay, string matching. Fifth one, R-spool. So we're going to study all these things. R-spool. So these are the algorithms we have, but we will going to study only this. Fine. We will going to study only that algorithm. So what is our text? You can text and pattern. So you can take the text like this and you can take the pattern in this format. Okay. Guys, everyone okay with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute, please. Give me some time.